What's up, everybody? We're 204 Tandem, and today we're doing the King Can Molson Dry shotgun race. So today we got me, Al, Scott, and Hubbard. We'll see how it goes. It smells terrible!
Need someone to count. Is everyone ready?
Ready? I'll count it. You guys all ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Gosh, you're slow. Oh, Hubbard. Still a little bit left in there. Still a little bit left in all of those cans.
Follow time!
Want a little pat on the back there? I don't know. That might bring up the vomit. Oh.
Or the burp, one of both. Oh, there's the burp.
Oh God.
I think I'm good now, though.
Who wants to get that burp?
Yeah, that was it. I'm good now.
So for the King Can shotgun race, I won. If you like this video, please subscribe to our page. Thanks for watching.